Okay, this is installed with the magnet. I put a magnet here, clips here. The reason I got this magnet is I have kids. Kids can reach the shower themselves, put it back on. Also, a wheelchair person can use it, reach it, shower, put it back on. Putting it up here, I'll mention the first issue I noticed. When I go to shower, if it's a shower and it doesn't have this on and off, the issue that you have is the water comes out and it's cold. Whenever I take a shower on the normal ones, which hook in like this, I'll turn it against the wall so that the cold water can leave. It gets warmer, and then I'll turn it towards me to shower. But in this instance, because the magnet's fixed, it doesn't give me the option to turn it. So if it's a shower, I have to turn on the water, hold it like this, let it get warm, and then put it back on. So that's one of the things I noticed. The other thing is, because this is lower, your ability to tilt and adjust it's not as much. You can see here how much it tilts and adjusts, and it'll only come down so far until it starts hitting here, and it peels off the magnet. It doesn't hold as secure. I did add this piece on, which is an addition that's not normally there. This is a angle stop to turn it on and off. Purpose being is when showering. When showering, see that? I can conserve the amount of water that's coming out. So rinse, lather, rinse, and we're good. So I have that for that purpose. It's also the kids are not wasting all this water. They can practice the same thing when they're putting it here and showering with it here. Okay, then what other concerns? You have this. If you really want to watch and see what water looks like coming from different wet methods, you can look at it, but I'm sure the pictures give you a better visual of that. So that's pushes here. I don't like using that. I keep that on the same one. So that covers pretty much that. The magnet was an adhesive sticker. It's just, this piece just clicks on. So the sticker piece goes on, this clicks on, and then that'll stay nice. It also has 2 screws if you want to anchor them in. Didn't really need them. And you can put that wherever you want. I advise putting it here because you turn the shower on, you forget that's on. It's pointing this way, then boom, it's going out the shower. Unless you put it here, then at least you're hitting this if it's always on this side. But I preferred it there. So that's it.
All right, so I'm actually really loving this Moen shower attachment. Prior to this, I couldn't wash my glass shower, so this has been a game changer. You're able to just take it off, and it has like this magnet, which is super good. As you can see, like it doesn't come off easily. You need to put a little bit of power into it. This is how you change the different settings of the water, which I'm going to demonstrate. But no leaking whatsoever. I have this on here now. The only thing is this plastic is like a plastic and it doesn't match, but I don't really care about that as long as it's functioning and it's functional. I love the water pressure on it, so I'm just gonna show you. So this is like a rainfall setting, which is great. As you can see, there's no leakage whatsoever. And you can change the different modes, and I use this to like wash the shower, and this one's really hard. I use this mode to wash my rug in my bathroom, so yeah, I love it. Excellent. And the magnet is awesome.
Is not leaking. I modified it by taking the reducer out of this part here and taking the lame gasket, whatever washer here, and swapping it out. So it came with 2 regular rubber gaskets and those went here and here. And I took the lame one that also had a little mesh that was distorting when I bent it at this angle. I put that one here, and so far so good, it's not leaking. It was leaking up there when I installed it as it came. So I was hesitant to get this one because I read reviews that said that the hose was too short, but as you can see, it reaches all the way back in my tub. So before you spend the money to get a longer hose, maybe measure your tub and see if it will in fact reach. I will be able to wash the dogs, small children, all that. So you can see it reaches all the way down there. Thank you.
Okay, there it is. It is easy to install. You just remove it. There's the back of it. That magnet is super strong on there. And this button here is to change the different settings that it has. As you can see, very strong. Let me turn it on. Okay, so that's one setting. You push it, it changes the other setting. Setting number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. It is so great. Highly recommend it. We should have purchased 2.
As you can see, it's not the prettiest thing. You've got this weird kind of plastic connection to the finish right here. I don't know. I mean, to me it looks like they were trying to save some money. Moen, I'm a little upset, a little annoyed with y'all, but it works.
place I would expect it to leak.
You can only, you have to do it like that to move it. It's easy to use. But you can't have a shower guy, period.